I want you to plus verb is used to say that you desire someone or would like for them to do something. Examples: I want you to think of me when you go abroad. I want you to feed the dogs 3 times a day. I want you to go home now and cook dinner for us. I want you to sleep here tonight so we can finish our project. I want you to arrange your things in one corner so they don't mix with my things. I want you to go to sleep now so you can wake up early tomorrow. I want you to call your school principal and ask her about your situation. I want you to study hard for your examinations tomorrow. I want you to think about this choice 100 times before deciding. I want you to keep quiet because the children are already sleeping.